sure and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video like this one. And today we're at this store called Eagles, and we're going to be looking for squishies, Neatos, and dumplings. So let's get into it.
And this store is at Myrtle Beach,
South Carolina.
Yeah. Y'all, we are enjoying the day. This is what the outside looks like, you guys.
But today y'all gonna get 3 videos.
Not today. We're gonna be posted back to back though, y'all.
Yeah.
They will be dropping. He's so ready, bro. Like, tell him in the comments. Calm down. You can say hey, Paige.
Hi.
Yes, you are.
Somebody got me.
You can be talking to him. But Nala, I think Nala, you want to hold the camera?
No, Daddy hold it.
Oh, yeah, Daddy.
I wrote dumplings on the sign.
Yep. Y'all see? It
Let's
says.
hope if I get something from here. Let's hope I get a glitter dumpling.
Hold on, do it again. They didn't see
Let's
you.
hope I get a glitter dumpling.
Y'all, what's gonna happen in here? I don't know. We're gonna go look, see what they got, you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, car.
This is my first one.
We're gonna hand the camera over to Pops.
This is my first one.
I guess I'm Pops with the Crocs.
Yes.
It's hot.
This is the outside of the store.
Eagles.
Let's see what they have.
Y'all been recording the whole time?
Yes. Thank you.
Cause it ain't up a minute 30.
Yeah, we just turned it on not so long ago.
Okay. Okay, we got little shade.
So
Oh yeah.
I will record. I want to
Okay, she wants to hold it.
Okay.
Hey. Come here, man. Okay, you can, but I don't want them saying it with y'all. Y'all, we looking at some sunglasses. How I look, y'all.
Okay.
Is it giving?
Yeah. You look good.
She said I look good. I want me some with this kind of frame, like this lens, or like the lens. I want them to reflect. Like, I don't want no black lens.
Oh, how I look?
You look good.
Okay.
We're coming over now. We don't want them to say nothing to y'all. Y'all like to touch stuff.
Prince put the
Mommy,
What?
look. Look right here.
I don't want that color. I want like a silver, like a bright, like a reflective silver frame.
Mommy, I see some squishy balls. Guys, I got some squishy balls right here. Where you can pull your finger and you could go. What's that? Say hey, Prince. I got this squishy ball. Now, last one came here before. Come on. Mommy. I can put mommy with Mommy, this is a squishy. Mommy, I can put. Guys, it's a squishy ball right here. And there's one right here too. But guys, we're about to get into seeing the actual squishies, not just these ones right here real quick. And guys, here's some pillies. Some viral fruit. I got 26 because I got this. And here's the little squishy too. And yeah, guys, those are all the squishies that's right here. PJ, here's a squishy ball. I'm trying to find Prince. Where's Prince today? We finna?
What about this?
Mommy.
You gotta hold the camera from you.
Yeah, you gotta like make sure you're looking in. If you're looking in, yeah, see.
You gotta make sure you're always paying attention.
Yeah, so you don't get in nothing they can't see.
Cause they will be talking about you in the comments.
These are not squishy. Them are 2 hard balls. So, yeah, guys. Stop. Y'all always have glasses.
You wanna pause it?
Yeah. We already got glasses.
Alright, we're here.
You turn it on?
Yeah, I got it on. Okay, that little motorcycle. Alright, we at the squishies. What squishy you see? What squishy you trying to get? What you want?
I'm trying to find Neatos. Mommy.
Now the dumplings is up there.
Mommy.
That's the
Yeah.
Mommy. Daddy, look.
Yeah, that's a squishy.
Yeah.
All right, where you get it from now so we can put it back? Prince, where you got this from?
Mommy. How much dollars do I get this? Here.
I think those are $8. Yeah, those are $8.
So how much I get?
You trying to get all of those?
Yeah. No. So I got one. How much dollars I got?
8. Hold on.
Guys, look.
Put it back.
I'm not sure.
Butter. It's a squishy capybara.
Butter squishy.
All right, look. We're not gonna be picking up all of them.
What? Some what, Mommy? Can I
Oh,
y'all
hold on.
calm down.
Mommy.
Okay, so that's 8.
So
I'm
how
trying
much
to-
dollars I got? Well, how much dollars I got?
Your daddy about to tell you. Hey, that's what you getting? What you got?
I
A
got
butter squishy and a mini little dumpling.
I hope I
Okay.
get the glitter.
You have 8.
All right, hold on.
Mommy, pick me up.
I'll tell Daddy pick you up. I got the camera in my hand. They got gummy slime, a gummy bear slime.
Mommy.
What?
I'm starting off good. I got $18.
Okay. We're gonna hurry up a little bit. We're gonna show them, but we.
What?
Now you better get a small dumpling.
That's a dumpling.
Butter.
Yeah, it's a
I'm
dumpling,
gonna
Daddy.
get this mini one.
You want to
You're getting a mini one? Okay.
Kristen, Chris, look. You know who like Chris, Kristen,
Yeah, mommy still have money left to get one.
I
Okay.
will be thankful.
Well, Daddy, how much money I'll have if I get these?
What's that?
It'll be 23.
Yeah.
This is all.
I'm
$23.
Yeah. No,
No, you'll have
$2.
$2 left. Like $1
Mom,
of
I
change.
really need a dumpling because it's popped.
Well, it's really up to you because you're really gonna make this call. Because if you really get something from here, you're really not getting it from Walmart. Yeah. So you really better make up your mind.
Yeah.
I want these.
Okay, well, hold yours. I don't know what you see. What you get?
Ice cube.
Huh? An ice cube?
Yeah.
You putting that one back? Or you getting that one too?
You getting both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Show them the color of the ice cream.
What do you want? You got this one.
Yeah, because PJ got the other color anyways.
You got this color right here.
PJ's got that color.
Mommy.
Look
No.
at this.
Mommy, I got this, so I will show them. Daddy, Daddy,
because they got tape on it.
Yep. Okay.
I want to feel happy.
10, 18, what?
18. Mommy, I still got 18.
That's 18.
No, that's all together.
Guys, look at this minor text.
Yeah, that's nice. Put it back. All right. So y'all done looking at the, or y'all found what y'all? That's it.
I'm trying to.
Peyton said she got hers secured. It's in lockdown. That's what you're doing? Okay.
Oh, look. Mommy, we gonna need these in the summertime.
Yeah, it's not. They ain't gonna put out no air. It's too hot out here. And they got the little.
Guys, they got the little where they could change. Feel it, Mommy.
Ooh yeah, that's a
It
nice
can,
door.
Mommy, it can like slide out your hands too.
Put that up.
I don't need those.
Yeah.
That's not gonna do nothing
Guys,
to me.
here's a squishy cat.
And I'm going in the pool today.
Furry.
And I'm going in the pool today.
Mommy,
No, not today. I don't think. So.
Mommy, we might.
What is that? A stretchy hand?
yeah, squishy, stretchy hand.
Mommy,
What?
I'll pay. Oh, $5 is that too.
Cause you got two.
You could get two.
He's got two.
It got tape on it, so that means it's real.
Okay. We're gonna see.
Hope I get the glitter. I'm gonna get that
Really,
glitter.
I can tell y'all how to kind of tell. This one is real light, so it's not a glitter. You have to get a heavy one. You want a glitter one? Do you want a glitter one?
Yeah.
Your daddy better find you a heavy one. That's not a glitter. Y'all, is it on me? Literally, I found out a secret. Like if
Mommy.
the box is not heavy, then it's not a glitter one.
So is this heavy?
I can't really tell with the mini. I think it might be. This one might be.
I never had glitter butter.
That's too light.
I
That's light.
never had this butter squishy, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy. Only been having.
All right, put that back.
Mommy, I think this one is glitter. Feel.
It's kind of heavy.
What? I'm sticking with this one.
I'm sticking
Huh?
with this one because I think.
Which one? Let me feel that.
Heavy.
Daddy, can I feel it?
No. Mommy, I might as well get the
Let me see.
heavy one.
Yours, you can't.
I mean,
Daddy,
you
feel
can't,
mine. Daddy,
getting
feel
all this?
mine.
He can't get all
you
that.
can't get all this.
Daddy, feel
He
mine.
can get 2. Either or.
Which one you getting now? You getting this?
I never had this butter squishy, but I'm gonna
Mommy,
put
Daddy,
it
think
in
it's
wax
the glitter.
and
Think
peel
it's the
it.
glitter?
Feel it.
I want to peel it. That's a
Guys, they
Nito.
gotta, if y'all come to eat, guys, if y'all want Nitos and dumplings or other squishies, come to Eagle.
Come
Yeah.
to Eagle.
Yeah.
They have this butter squishy, but they
Ain't it?
have regular butter.
Because they got,
butter squishy.
they got,
It's not
they
butter
got
squishy.
anything you want as a squishy.
$7.
I got $7.
All right, Prince, put yours up.
I got
baby.
2 more. I got $2.
No, you can keep that. I'm saying don't be touching the other stuff.
All right, if you got what you gonna get, stand over here.
They have these 2.
What are these? Oh, them the things are those.
Look.
Guys, this just got air in it.
Yeah, that's just air.
Look, Mommy, to this got air.
No, that's
That
like
what
a
you get
chill
right there?
thing.
That's like this little
Okay.
thing that can like.
So let me see yours.
I
How much
feel
is
like-
that?
How much dollars I got now?
Hold on. You did.
Can't get all that.
What is that?
How much cheese is?
Okay, so the butter one is 10.
So that's 10.
Where's the cheese?
That's 18 for the little. That's 18, and that's where's the mini ones at?
Right.
I'm trying to
Okay,
find
so that's 10. So that's what
10,
I hope I get the glitter.
about 18,
20,
I'm gonna get that.
28.
28,
I'm gonna get
28.
I'm gonna get it all.
Guys, that's good.
You're over $3. Well,
Yeah, that's 26. So
26. So $2. You're over $2.
I'm gonna open this one heavier. Mommy.
Now
Mommy.
for
Better
this
squishy in the car. Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
All right, put them back in the big.
Mommy.
Yeah, 'cause y'all
Mommy. I'll open this in the car.
No, we'll open it when we get home, so we can see what we got.
Yeah.
I can open
Big
this
stuff,
one in the
yeah.
car.
No, we're gonna open it at home so we can see what we got.
I just straightened them up.
Mommy, I
Come on.
can play with this in the car. Mommy.
Where's yours?
Mommy.
You got yours right there.
Mommy. You go
I
home.
need this.
Yes.
Because I keep hearing mommy.
Mom,
Daddy,
can we-
Mom. I need this.
Come on, can we look down here?
Yeah, we can look down here. Make this video kind of long because y'all gonna do a separate one opening your stuff.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Guys, they got the wrong.
Ouch! Oh my God!
What?
I hit my ankle
On what?
You okay?
on the edge of that thing.
You okay, Mommy?
Yeah.
Look, I hurt myself.
Mommy, Jay got this.
I don't care.
Oh yeah, it's nice. Little
Okay.
cheese wrap.
Jay got that.
That's how you sound, babe.
That's awesome.
Here it is. Y'all know the penguin of the needle? That's what this feels like.
I get this.
You're done.
Yeah, you
Now unless you put one of those back.
Guys,
You gotta put something back.
guys, I never had this.
You put
butter-
the mini dumpling back.
Yeah. I'm gonna look some more. Guys, I never had this butter squishy before. So, I'm gonna cover this in wax and peel it.
No, the heavy ones, I learned it. The heavy ones is the glitter ones. The light ones is in plain coloring. I'm telling you.
Let me see this.
Okay, we'll see who's right, y'all. But why would that be like that?
Let me see.
Watch out.
Oh, dumplings. They have more than one in it. Oh, y'all look at the ball.
Let me
Oh, that
see.
feels weird.
Let me see.
Guys, that looks like it's
Yeah,
gonna
put
pop.
Yeah. All right.
Y'all, we going ahead to go home and get our mulch.
Yeah.
She said we're going home to get our mulch. Let me get my butt off these people's glasses, y'all.
You be prepared for a glass. You ain't gonna use it. I put it back. Come on, kid.
Y'all see the
Guys,
little
look.
ducks?
Mommy.
Yeah, leave that alone. Come on. Let's go down.
I'm gonna see if we can wheel and deal when we get up there.
No.
Being that they buying multiple.
It's not going to happen.
Mommy. Mommy. Do I really have Mommy, I'm feel this.
Okay.
Mommy, feel this.
Yeah.
It's cold. Mommy, I'm Mommy. Pull it back. Mommy.
Yeah, put it back.
Mommy, I'm trying to do. Can I play? Can I feel it?
I'm trying to be very questionable just in case, like, if I drop one, it might get broken, and this might be the glitter.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Why are we?
Let's check out. Let's check out.
No, well, hold on. Let's walk around a little bit and we'll go check out. Sand.
Mommy not go like that in a house.
I mean, I would. Y'all can't play with it though. That's not a play.
They
That's
got
the thing.
paint in there.
Where
Of course.
They don't have money.
They might have Nala.
They got me and PJ name.
Of course.
Let me see. Why they got her name?
They ain't got.
They should have Nala, really. That is a common name, Nala. Yeah.
They have Hallie.
Mommy, I like that.
Yeah, they don't have it.
Mommy, it probably sold out.
Get your wig. I have with it. Yeah.
I need one.
Ew. Mommy.
Right.
Mommy. Here go the squishy nowels.
Ew.
Mommy.
Guys.
We found a snake.
Can I get this? Can I get this? Mommy. Look, it says, you get what, Mommy? No.
No, honey.
No, you get a gold one.
Go one.
Yeah.
Well, you might better pick you up another because I don't think it's a gold one in there.
If we come here,
We
y'all,
already seen that.
next time if we come here, I'm gonna not get dumplings. I'm gonna get like squishies and stuff. Mommy, they got Tappa squishies.
Come here, Mommy.
Hold on.
Tappa squishies. Y'all, they have Tappa squishies.
They have what?
Tappa squishies. They have Tappa squishies.
Y'all could get these. They got a gummy bear behind it. Mommy, PJ just said, I'm embarrassed.
Oh, I want the. No.
PJ, why are you embarrassed?
I'm not.
That's a nice dress. Respect the locals.
I call this one.
Okay, I'm
He does
done.
hats up.
Mommy, I want this one. We need a. Can I get one more?
No.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Nala, you can get 3 things. Mommy, I'm not gonna put the butter back. Mommy.
That one look darker.
Mommy. I'm not gonna put the butter back and get
We
the
can
dumpling.
get something else.
Okay.
We could get another thing.
Tappa squishy.
No, you tap.
Mommy.
Only if you're getting off probably this owl or that little teeny owl.
What little tinny out?
Come show me. Daddy, I think at least I got our name. I didn't know how to spell my name.
I'm talking about, watch out, because they coming out. Watch out, Pace.
I can't believe they
Yeah.
know how. They did a good job though. I love this.
Figure you could get something else. Too.
No, he's got 3 things. He's not getting, no.
I got 3 things.
Yep.
We done. Cause PJ, I got this waffle.
Hey, if you already got this,
Yeah, you're done, so don't touch. You're done.
Don't touch.
I don't know if I should do this or this.
Where did this come from anyway? I ain't seen
I
this.
don't know. So maybe not this.
Yeah, that's not, I don't think that,
About water.
yeah, I don't even know what that
They came from
is.
here.
Put it up.
Mama, they came from here.
They're $5. No, I mean $6.
Oh.
But I don't want that.
Mommy,
I think I'm gonna get.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy, somebody opened
They got
it.
these
That's open.
Mommy, somebody opened it.
Well, it just slid down.
It slid down. It's not
Mommy.
open, Nudie.
Mommy,
But that's not no glitter one.
Mommy, I
go
opened it.
Yeah.
Daddy, come on, I'll come with you.
Mommy, I think I might get a dog.
Come on, let's go to the heavy one.
Not that one though.
Okay, you're doing a dog? Okay.
You finna go?
Prince, you want a dog?
Let's go.
Right here.
Okay, 2.
You want that one?
You could get all of them.
Open it.
That, you're done. All right, let's go get
Found
in.
me one heavy.
Yeah, that is kind of heavy. All right, let's go get in line.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go get in line. We're going to go pay for this stuff.
Before we get stuck here all day.
Yeah. And, yeah.
I have
And
my
so
leg on.
we're going to cut it. tell them what we're gonna do when we get outside
We're gonna get back with y'all when we get outside.
and show y'all our bags. And
Yeah.
all right, y'all, we'll be back.
Mommy, I did the same. Okay, guys, we're back and we're out the store, and we're gonna go home and show y'all.
No, we're gonna close out this video,
We're gonna close out this video,
and y'all gotta catch our next video.
and y'all gotta
and-
catch our next
And
video.
y'all will see us unboxing our goodies
And y'all gonna see us unboxing our goodies
and playing with them.
and playing with them.
And we'll show y'all all of behind the scenes of our squishies.
And we'll show y'all all behind the scenes of our squishies.
Did y'all have a good time?
Yeah.
Y'all went crazy in that store,
Right.
bro. Like literally, how much did we spend, babe?
Almost $150
Like
in
it's
squishies.
crazy.
Look.
Like that doesn't make any sense, you guys.
All of
That's-
them got 3 each.
yeah, everybody got 3 each.
Y'all better make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that way they can come and get more stuff because we broke, y'all. We broke.
And we still got another stop.
And we still got another stop. Don't walk around my
Mommy,
head.
your thing on the thing.
It's okay. Look at her, she ready. All
ready
right,
to go.
so close them out, y'all. Close them out.
We
What?
going to get lunch.
Yeah, close them out.
Okay, bye, y'all.